You telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
What's up YouTube, it's your girl KB and welcome to my channel. Y'all, since you are here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Y'all, in today's little video I'll be doing this look for you guys, so if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay y'all, I thought I was recording, so I did not see y'all did not see the process of me doing this part. So I just took some LA Girl Pro concealer and shaped my brows up and took some Pro Concealer HD High Definition Concealer and I put that on my lid as well. And I'm going in with these two palettes right here by Playing Your Makeup by Yolando and the Beats by Deb collab with Yolando. And y'all excuse my nails, they are jacked up right now, but do not worry about that. So it's with this palette right here, and I'm going to go in with this purple shade called Waistline. And I'm just going to put that all up in the crease of my eye. First, what I am going to do is dab out blend this a little bit more out because I did crease up a little bit. And just like that. So I'm taking this purple shade and I'm just going to put that like in the crease of my eye. And just like that. So I'm just gonna tap it in. And I decided to do one eye off camera because I just knew it was gonna take me a long time just to do this look, and I did not want to be on the camera for like 2 hours trying to do this video. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put this purple shade in the crease of my eye, and then I will come right back. So I just went right next in with the Beats by Deb palette. So next I'm just going in with this purplish pinkish shade in the Beats by Deb palette. It's called like Frieza. I'm not even sure what the name is. So I'm just tapping that in above this purple shade.
And I know I probably suck at explaining things. I'm not even here to really explain things, you know, I just want you to see what I'm doing.
So I'm just taking the two shades and just blending them together. So I'm taking the shade Tangerine in the Beats by Deb palette, and I am just blending that right on top of this shade right over here, and just blending that out. I am not no damn makeup artist. Like, I really do this for fun. So I'm just blending. Blending is the thing, y'all. You have to blend it out. You're gonna blend these shades together just like that. So what I'm about to do right here is do this cut crease, y'all. I may have to do this part way off camera because this is what's gonna take me all night long. So I'm just going right back in with that that purple shade that I put down the first time, And I just put that on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm taking this deep dark purple in the palette and I'm just putting that on the outer corner of my eye as well. So just like that. So literally all I'm doing is reversing these shades that I put down, but on the lid of my eye. And I'm just blending those out as well. For real though, like, don't sleep on me because I do be coming through. Okay, so I feel like, damn it. And I will be using these Playing in Makeup by Yolando brushes. I've only used the one out of the palette, and for some reason I cannot find the other one. Somehow it's missing, but the main brush I'm going to be using out of it is the foundation brush. I've been holding off on using these because like they're so freaking cute. I've had them for a year now. Not even for a year. Got them like probably November, October last year, and I just really love the way they look, and I just still want to use them because I just thought they were really cute. And I'm one of those types, like if something is cute I will save it and not use it. I'm just gonna go with this foundation brush, and I'm just gonna tap this in with this foundation, and yeah. So I've already primed my face with some e.l.f. primer. So far I like the brush. It's doing what it needs to do. It's blending out pretty good. Excuse my forehead. Y'all, my shit is large. That's why I always got me a little swoop-de-whoop, a little something covering my forehead because my shit is large. Okay, yeah, this is the final look. I would have kept talking throughout the video, but I am tired as hell and I do just want to go to sleep. So this is the final look. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, leave us any suggestions down below on what you want to see next. This cut crease, y'all, is to die for. I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, this is your girl KB, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.